Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 4 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your smartband, and you can turn it on by plugging the smartband to a charger. Once you plug it to a charger and the smartband receives the power, it will turn on automatically. And after the smartband turns on, you should see the hello message on the screen. Give me a second. Like this one. And once you see the hello message, you can tap on the screen, then you will see the list of languages, and you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your smartband, and then tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, the band will enter the pairing mode. It will start searching for the Garmin Connect application. So what we need to do is to download and install the Garmin Connect application. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Open the Google Play Store, tap on search, and type in Garmin Connect. And then tap on search. And you should see this application, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, once you open it, you will see the welcome page or login page. Basically what we need to do is to log in into a Garmin account, and if you don't have an account, you can tap on create account button right here to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap next, and then enter the email address and password to log in. And then I can tap on next to continue. And after you log in, you will probably see the pop-up about the permissions. If you see it, tap on allow access and allow the permission. And after that, your app should detect your Vivosmart 4, as you can see. If it doesn't, you could try to re-enter the pairing mode by pressing and holding the touch sensitive button right here, and then tapping on language again, and hopefully it will help you solve your problem, basically. So the app detects the smartband, and once it does, tap on connected, tap on allow, enter the code from your smartband on your watch or rather in your phone. So enter the code, then tap on OK. Once you see this page, tap on next. Here we can set the sleep time. So basically you can set what time you go to sleep, then what time you wake up. This is useful if you want to use do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically turn off notifications and stuff like that during the sleep, so you won't be disturbed. And you can set it up by tapping on the box next, or rather under the bedtime, and you can adjust the time. Then you can tap on wake time, adjust the time, and then you can tap on next, and you can opt to enable or disable the do not disturb mode during sleep. I'm gonna tap on yes to enable it, but you can tap on no. Next we can select preferred wrist, right or left, and tap on next. And here we can select preferred watch face, and once you select the watch face, tap next. Right here we can set up some goals like steps and stuff like that. If you want to set them up, tap on edit my goals. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. Let's tap on edit my goals, and as you can see here, we can edit the goals for steps, floors climbed, fluids consumed, and intensity minutes per week. So this is the intensity training stuff. So you can adjust the values by tapping on them, and or rather on the boxes, and entering the value you want. And once you're done, you can tap on next. Right here we can allow the notification access, and this is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smartband. So basically, if you want to receive rather, if you receive the notification, for example, on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your smartband, so you can check it on the smartband. So allow or deny the permission. I'm just gonna allow it. Then we can allow or deny the permission for the location. This is useful if you want to track your routes. For example, let's say you go running and you want to check your route or where did you run on the map. So if you want to do it, you need to allow the location access. If you don't care, you can keep it denied. I'm gonna allow it. So I'm gonna tap on permissions, location, and you can select allow only while using the app or allow all the time, depending on what you like. And then you can go back to the app. Next we have calendar access. This is useful if you want to check the calendar stuff like events and stuff like that on your smartband. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next we have call log access. This is required for the notifications about calls and stuff like that. So if you want to use that feature, allow the permission. If you don't care, deny it. Same for the phone call access, allow it or deny it. And the messages, if you want to check the notifications about the messages, you can allow it or deny it. Okay, and once you see this page, tap on sync now. Then tap on finish. And here you can tap on next to go through the tutorial, how to use the band. And once you've done, tap on finish. Here you can set up more things. I'm just gonna tap on not now, tap on got it. And once you're done, you should see a main page of the app. You can tap on the or options icon, then tap on Garmin devices, and you should see your Vivosmart right here on the list of devices connected. You can tap on it to open the device page, and this means that the smartband is paired with your phone, and you can also use your smartband. So if you wake up the screen on it, come on, like this, you should be able to use your smartband. Okay, and that's how you pair this smartband with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.